morning, everyone. Are you ready? It's the 4th of December. 3 weeks today. Did you see the clocks going round? It's 3 weeks today. Oh my jolly word. Oh my word. Join me the other side of the intro and let's get mischievous. I feel like getting mischievous today. Hit it, maestro. Look, what have I got? I have got my Halloween spirit jersey on. I have, because I've only got the one Christmas one. So what I thought we'd do is we'd do a bit of crafting. You ready? Watch this. Ready, steady, pajam! And as you can see, my witch my witch potions. I mean, I want to watch my Bibbidi Boo, my Boo Ball. Do you think I need to start this video again? No! Carry on, Karen. It's just a series of blunders. So yeah, my Boo Ball video. Go and watch it and you'll see my magic. There you go. So now I've got a Christmas spirit jersey to match my ears. You wouldn't buy me another one. I've got to work on him, haven't I? So yeah, so if I walk around the house like this, do you think he'll feel really sorry and really bad? Probably not. If you can hear noise in the background, it's live. I'm recording this every day. It's live. At the moment, Blank's off school because the boiler broke. Yeah, so he's bathing all the boys. So you'll hear the hairdryer at times, and then postmen are coming, and it's just like crazy. But it doesn't matter, does it? Because it's the 4th of December. And so what we're going to do is we'll start off with our advent calendar. So what chocolate have I got in my door today? Let's have a look. Okay. I haven't been showing you what's on the inside of these ones, have I? So what should we have? On that one we had a tree. We had the Milky Bar Kid. Remember that song? The Milky Bar Kid is good enough, and only the rich is good enough. The creamiest milk, the tastiest bar. The goodness, that's it, Milky Bar. Do you remember that? Oh, it's going to be one of them days. And we got a candle, and then today we have got a robin redbreast. So let's have a look. What chocolate have we got? Oh, we've got a reindeer. So we got a reindeer. So now you see it in good old-fashioned honoured tradition. No, you don't. And I've got my, is it Las Vegas mug today? I've got more mugs than days in December. It's fab. Phil said, maybe we're going to put more. I said, you don't touch them. They're my mugs. That's delicious. Now, a lot of you have been telling me that you've got the Primark Bauble calendar. Isn't it fab? So if you haven't got this, what other calendars have you got? Tell me down below. So I know maybe for another calendar for next year, give me some ideas. Right, so then, what have we got today? I call them baubles or ornaments, or it's all the same, isn't it really? Oh, this is nice. I thought it was black, but it's not. It's like is it like a transparent grey with the silver on it? Transparent black maybe. So pretty. These are lovely. These are lovely. So that's that. And then what have I got in my Wizards? How appropriate, Wizards today. My Wizards box. So then, my cauldron crate box. What goodies have I got in here? So, number 4. Come in, number 4. Ooh. I'm liking number 4. Do you think they know I like diamonds? Do you think? Do you think there's any chance at all of it being a diamond ring? One can hope, but I'm guessing not. I could use my magic, couldn't I, and turn it into a diamond? What do you think? So, let's have a look. Oh, let's undo this. Good job I've not had my nails done yet. I'm going later on today to get my nails done, so I don't know when this will be edited and uploaded, but I am. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's really pretty. I'm guessing it's just a regular one. I'm guessing it's not silver, but look at that. We've got the Harry Potter lightning bolt, whatever you want to call it, across his forehead on a bracelet. Isn't that lovely? Oh, this box, you know, it's really, really lovely. It's really different and I'm really enjoying that. So that's my advent calendar. Here's my tea again. Do you have a cup of tea or do you have coffee in the morning? Look, there's mine. And someone asked me what funny stuff I put in. I might do that on Christmas Eve with hot chocolate, with a touch of naughty rum in hot chocolate. I think that's called is it a La Bamba or something, La Bamba, something like that in Spain, and they drink that and it keeps them warm. So I might have one of them just for, you know, central heating warmth purposes. Heaven help us, Christmas Eve. Anyway, that's nice, that's nice. So then today we have got our Wizard's Vault box from Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, so we've got that. Now, the truth be known, I don't know when this box was from. I don't know if this is July's box. I don't know if it's August box. I don't know if it's September's or October's box. I've had so many months. I've skipped 2 months now. And I've got another one came in my shipment today. And I've had another Bibbidi Bobbidi box in my shipment today from my postal service. And then I've also got another Bibbidi Bobbidi box up the corner. And I've got another Wizard's Vault one that didn't go to my mailbox in the States. It went to my friend who's sending it to me. So, there we go. So, we'll just open it, shall we? Shall we do that? We'll do that. It doesn't matter, does it? It doesn't matter at all. So I think this is only the second one I've ever opened of these. Now this is still the $89 one. In my last one I've got, I think I did a $49 to see what the silver one was like. Oh dear me. And also, to be quite honest, to cut down the cost at Christmas because we spend so much money, don't we? I use the Royal We because then I don't ever feel as bad as I should maybe feel. So I'm just undoing it. Oh, right, okay. Ooh, so you'll be able to tell me when this one was from. It's got the black paper on it. It's got, we've all got both dark, light and dark inside us. What matters, I can't read it that way. What matters is the part we choose to act on. That's who we really are. And if you're a Gemini like me, that means you do both, don't you? I'm lovely until someone pushes my buttons. And then you just move out the way. Anyway, so we have got here Aloe Mora. That's alive. Let me get that. That's our spoiler alert. So we'll have a look at that after. We'll put that to one side. I can't believe that this box has been sat at the corner of my room and I've not opened it. You ready? Oh my golly gosh. I have got, are they called the Patronus? Of all the different Patronuses on here. And we've got the owl and the snake. Oh no, these are all the different houses, aren't they? Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, I think. Blake's bathing the dog, so I can't ask him, but isn't that lovely? And it's actually, look, it's a Harry Potter lounge flight. I've never seen this before. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, that's really, really pretty. And then, oh gosh, there's something else inside. Oh my word, okay. So let's see if there's anything else hidden in the bottom. Oh, I love this. I hadn't seen this one. Oh, and look inside. You've got all the Harry Potter logo. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I really like that, girls. You've got 2 side pockets there, so I can put whatever in there. It's never quite big enough for a drinks holder, is it? So you've got those, and you've got a nice big interior zip just there. Oh, isn't that lovely? Really, really like that. Really like that. And you've got your adjustable straps on the back. So, yeah. I've not seen that one. And it's nice because sometimes when you've got the louder colours, it doesn't go with everything when you're away, does it? But that will, because it's cream. So, yeah, love that. Love that. Pop that down there. What else have we got? Right, so let's open this. What's this? I've got a Harry Potter figure. I have got Hagrid. And I love Hagrid. Well, not actually love him, but I think he's fabulous. Robbie Coltrane, and he's from, I think he's Scottish. I'm in so much trouble now. And I think he's fabulous. And do you know what? He's not as tall as you think. I googled it, and is he 6 foot or just under 6 foot? Something like that. Yeah, I was shocked because I thought, oh, is Blake taller than him? And I'm sure he is, because Blake's 6'2" now. So yeah, interesting fact. He's not as tall as you think. Well, obviously he's not a giant, but he always comes across on TV as being a really tall man. So, right, let's open this up. I've got my lovely safety knife. Right, what we got in here? Oh, that's really lovely. That's really lovely. Oh, look at that. So you've got him. That's how he's so tall. He's standing on the books. So you've got Hagrid there. Look at him, and he's got his cauldron down there and his books. Oh, isn't that fabulous? I love that. And it's really heavy. You know, that's like, could use that as a paperweight on your desk. So I really, really like that. So let's put that over there. Now then, what else have I got in my box? I've got a blood pop. A strawberry blood pop. I do not have a blood plop. Sorry. My teeth are real. They're not even stuck in, they're real. It's a strawberry blood pop. And these are like a bigger version. For anyone in the UK, remember when we used to go to the doctors back in the day when we were like, you know, in the maybe like the 60s or 70s, not that I was born then. And you used to get one of these for going to see the doctor, and it was little, and you used to love having a lollipop off the doctor. So yeah, it reminds me of that. So that's amazing. But yeah, I'm sorry for that little slip up. Would you expect anything less from me? And then I've got a t-shirt. Which one have I got? Oh, I love this. I love this. Yeah, love, love, love this. Love, 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 love this. Yes. And it is the Wizards Ravenclaw t-shirt. And look on the back, it's Luna Lovegood. So I don't know the relevance of 990. She's not the devil, because the devil's 666, isn't it? So I don't know, but yeah, I love that. I love this. Right, so let's have a look at our spoiler sheet and see what it says. I don't know. I'm going to have to cut this, I think. Right, so let's get that side and try and cut it. I'm going to have my nails done later today, and honestly, if they'd already been done, I'd have no chance. Right, not that I have long nails, I just need them doing because they're looking tatty. Right, okay. So we have got in here, holy moly, we have got the Lost Brothers Trading Co t-shirt, which was $24. We've got the Harry Potter charm figures Hagrid, which is $12. We've got the Honeydew Sweet Shop blood pop. for £3.95. I'm never going to live that down, am I? And we've got the Harry Potter Creatures floral AOP. Don't know what that means. Mini backpack. Yeah, don't know what that means. Mini backpack, and that was $65. So my box in total, bear in mind, I only paid $89. The total value of that box is $104.95. So that's $16 more in value than I actually paid for it. How fabulous. This is why I love their boxes. I love this Wizards Vault box. I love my Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. I think they're a fantastic company. So if you haven't already, down in the description there's the link. I know that for the, was it the Christmas box? I think it was a Christmas box. They ship the Christmas box internationally, so fingers crossed things might start happening in the future. But I have a shipping box that I have mine sent to, so maybe that's an idea for you if shipping internationally doesn't start back up soon. But thanks so much, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that. Enjoy the rest of your day or your evening. Be good, be kind. Don't forget, if you've not already, please hit that subscribe button coming at the end of the video. And I'll see you really soon. In fact, I'll see you tomorrow soon. Bye for now, everyone. Be good. Bye for now. Bye.